Daily English conversation practice. Did you go to work yesterday? Yes, I went to work yesterday. Did you have breakfast this morning? No, I didn't have breakfast this morning. Did you watch a movie last night? Yes, I watched a movie last night. Did you visit any friends last weekend? No, I didn't visit any friends last weekend. Did you cook dinner yesterday? Yes, I cooked dinner yesterday. Did you go shopping this afternoon? No, I didn't go shopping this afternoon. Did you play any sports last week? Yes, I played soccer last week. Did you read a book yesterday? No, I didn't read a book yesterday. Did you clean the house last weekend? Yes, I cleaned the house last weekend. Did you watch TV last evening? No, I didn't watch TV last evening. Did you go for a walk yesterday? Yes, I went for a walk yesterday. Did you do any exercise this morning? No, I didn't do any exercise this morning. Did you eat lunch at home yesterday? Yes, I ate lunch at home yesterday. Did you travel anywhere last month? No, I didn't travel anywhere last month. Did you meet any new people recently? Yes, I met some new people recently. Did you take a nap this afternoon? No, I didn't take a nap this afternoon. Did you go to the park last weekend? Yes, I went to the park last weekend. Did you watch the news yesterday? No, I didn't watch the news yesterday. Did you visit your family recently? Yes, I visited my family recently. Did you drink coffee this morning? No, I didn't drink coffee this morning. Did you go swimming last summer? Yes, I went swimming last summer. Did you take any photos last night? No, I didn't take any photos last night. Did you have dinner at a restaurant? Yes, I had dinner at a restaurant. Did you go to a party last weekend? No, I didn't go to a party last weekend. Did you watch a play at the theater? Yes, I watched a play at the theater. Did you buy any new clothes recently? No, I didn't buy any new clothes recently. Did you visit a museum last month? Yes, I visited a museum last month. Did you listen to music yesterday? No, I didn't listen to music yesterday. Did you go hiking last summer? Yes, I went hiking last summer. Did you eat dessert after dinner? No, I didn't eat dessert after dinner. Did you attend a concert recently? Yes, I attended a concert recently. Did you try any new recipes? No, I didn't try any new recipes. Did you go to the beach last vacation? Yes, I went to the beach last vacation. Did you visit any historical sites? No, I didn't visit any historical sites. Did you play a musical instrument? Yes, I played the guitar. Did you go to the gym last week? No, I didn't go to the gym last week. Did you watch a sports game on TV? Yes, I watched a sports game on TV. Did you go on a road trip recently? No, I didn't go on a road trip recently. Did you have a party at your house? Yes, I had a party at my house. Did you go to the zoo last month? No, I didn't go to the zoo last month. Did you learn a new skill? Yes, I learned how to knit. Did you go to a theme park last summer? No, I didn't go to a theme park last summer. Did you visit a friend in another city? Yes, I visited a friend in another city. Did you have a picnic in the park? No, I didn't have a picnic in the park. Did you go to a wedding recently? Yes, I went to a wedding recently. Did you try a new restaurant? No, I didn't try a new restaurant. Did you go on a hike in the mountains? Yes, I went on a hike in the mountains. Did you watch a comedy show on TV? No, I didn't watch a comedy show on TV. Did you go camping last summer? Yes, I went camping last summer. Did you buy any souvenirs on your trip? No, I didn't buy any souvenirs on my trip. Did you visit a famous landmark? Yes, I visited the Eiffel Tower.